NVC processing speeds up in 2025, what it means for green card applicants. A painful bottleneck finally eases. For decades, the National Visa Center, known as the NVC, was a major bottleneck in the immigration process. Families endured endless waiting without clear timelines. Even after USCIS approved petitions, cases stalled at the NVC. The uncertainty left immigrants frustrated, delaying reunions and forcing families to put their lives on hold. But in 2025, something remarkable is happening. The NVC is processing faster than ever before. Backlogs are shrinking, and timelines are becoming clearer. For thousands of immigrants, this shift could finally mean quicker paths to green cards and long-awaited family reunions. Why the NVC bottleneck has always mattered. After USCIS approves your petition, the case does not go directly to the U.S. Embassy or consulate. Instead, it goes through the NVC. The NVC acts as the bridge between USCIS approval and the final visa interview. Every applicant must pass through this critical stage. For years, this bridge was broken. Cases sat idle at the NVC, sometimes for years. Families felt trapped in limbo, waiting without answers. This bottleneck did not only delay interviews, it delayed lives. Careers, studies, and family reunions all suffered because of bureaucratic delays. What changed in 2025? The Department of State has made internal reforms to speed up processing. These reforms are now showing results in late 2025. Petitions are moving forward faster. Document reviews are no longer taking endless months. Interview scheduling is happening sooner than before. For the first time in years, families are seeing hope instead of frustration. The system that once created despair is now producing progress. Case creation, faster than before. Once USCIS approves a petition, the case is transferred to the NVC. This begins with case creation and the issuance of the welcome letter. In the past, this step could take months. Now, as of August 30, 2025, the NVC is creating cases in less than 3 weeks. For example, petitions approved on August 12, 2025, are already in the system. This is a dramatic shift compared to past years. The welcome letter provides the case number and invoice ID. These are your access keys to the Consular Electronic Application Center, CEAC. With them, you can pay fees, submit the DS-260 form, and upload documents. Without this letter, you cannot move forward. Because case creation is now faster, applicants are receiving this letter much sooner, shaving months off the immigration process. Document review, once the longest wait. For many applicants, document review was the most frustrating stage. You could upload everything, then wait in silence for months. Small errors reset the entire process. Even one missing paper meant starting again. Families often felt helpless in this cycle. Today, the timeline looks different. As of August 2025, the NVC is reviewing documents in just over 2 weeks. They are already reviewing submissions from August 13, 2025. That speed would have been unimaginable only a few years ago. Once your documents are accepted, your case becomes documentarily qualified. This means the NVC has everything needed for the next step. Being documentarily qualified is your golden ticket. It signals you are ready for the embassy or consulate interview. From qualification to interview. Once your case is documentarily qualified, the NVC forwards it to the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. The status first changes to in transit, then to ready once the consulate receives it. Only then can your interview be scheduled. Here is the dramatic improvement. In 2025, most interviews are being scheduled within 1 to 4 months. In past years, applicants often waited over a year for interviews. The new pace is a significant relief for families. Once scheduled, you receive an official appointment letter. It includes your interview date, location, and instructions for medical exams and final paperwork. Visa Bulletin updates, September 2025. Processing speed alone is not enough. Your priority date must also be current under the monthly Visa Bulletin. The September 2025 Visa Bulletin shows encouraging signs of movement. These advances are small but meaningful for families waiting. The F2A category, spouses and children of green card holders, advanced by 2 months to June 1, 2025. The F4 category, siblings of U.S. citizens, saw the Philippines move forward by 1 month. The F3 category, married children of U.S. citizens, had an even stronger update. For the Philippines, priority dates advanced by 5 months. These movements demonstrate the State Department's effort to reduce backlogs while aligning interviews with faster NVC processing. Special note on K-visas. Fiancé visa applicants, or K-visas, follow a slightly different process. After receiving the welcome letter, applicants must complete the DS-160 form. Unlike other visas, applicants must wait for consulate confirmation before proceeding further. Rushing ahead can create complications. Once the consulate signals readiness, applicants can schedule their interview. The faster NVC timeline is also benefiting K-visa cases. In 2025, K-visa applicants are moving forward more quickly than in recent years. Faster inquiry responses. In the past, contacting the NVC was almost impossible. Inquiries went unanswered for weeks, sometimes months. Applicants often felt ignored. But response times are improving. As of August 30, 2025, the NVC is responding to inquiries submitted on August 18. That is less than 2 weeks. While applicants should avoid unnecessary inquiries, this faster communication is a welcome change. Don't lose your case, the 1-year rule. Here's a crucial reminder. U.S. immigration law requires applicants to respond to NVC notices within 1 year. Failure to respond can result in termination under Section 203(g) of the Immigration and Nationality Act. If your case is terminated, you may lose your priority date. While reinstatement is sometimes possible, it is rare and uncertain. Always respond to notices, upload requested documents promptly, and stay in contact with the NVC. A real turning point. For years, the NVC symbolized frustration and delay. It was the stage where dreams of immigration often stalled. But now in 2025, the tide has shifted. Case creation is faster. Document review is quicker. Interviews are scheduled sooner. Even communication is improving. For immigrants and families, this is more than bureaucracy. It is real progress, and it offers real hope. Final thoughts. These changes at the NVC are not just numbers on a chart. They represent families reuniting, careers moving forward, and lives resuming. If you are waiting for your green card, pay close attention to the improved timelines, the Visa Bulletin, and the 1-year contact rule. Immigration remains complex, but in 2025, the NVC is no longer the obstacle it once was. For many, this could be the breakthrough year. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.